In this next example, we're going to be working with two functions. We have f of x equals 3x minus 4, and we have our function g of x, which is 1/3 times the quantity x plus 4. And we want to go ahead and work with these composition of functions. We have f follows g of x, and we also have the function g follows f of x. And we want to go ahead and show that both of these composite functions are going to come out to equal x when we're done. So let's go ahead and start with the first one, and let's find f of g of x. Remember, this is the same thing, right? It can be written either way here. So we're going to go ahead and start with our function for g of x, and we're going to be substituting it into our function for f. So we're going to be calculating f of 1/3 times the quantity x plus 4. So every time we see an x in our function here for f, we're going to be plugging in this 1/3 times x plus 4 piece. So let's go ahead and make our substitutions here. We've got 3 times this 1/3 times our x plus 4. And then we have our minus 4 piece here at the end of our function. Right? And let's go ahead and simplify. We're going to be multiplying these two pieces. The 3 times the 1/3 is going to give us a 1. And then we have this x plus 4 that falls down. And then we have our minus 4 at the end. And if we combine these like terms, these add up to 0. So this is just going to give us an x, which is what we wanted, right? We want to show that each of these comes out to be an x. So let's go ahead and do the other composite function piece. This time we're going to be working with g follows f of x. Right, this is the same thing as g of f of x, which means we're going to be finding g of 3x minus 4. So each time we see an x value here in our function for g, we're going to be plugging in this 3x minus 4 piece. So that's going to give us 1/3. And in place of that x that you see there, we're going to put this 3x minus 4. And then we have the rest of our function here, this plus 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and combine some like terms. I'm going to work inside my parentheses here first. This minus 4 and plus 4 are going to add up to be 0. So this is the same thing as 1/3 times 3x. And my 1/3 and the 3 are going to cancel. It'll leave me with just a 1. And 1 times x is going to give us x. This is what we wanted, right? We wanted to show that these two things are equal to each other, and they both came out to be x when we are done. Anytime this happens, we're able to say that these two functions are inverses of each other, which is a topic we're going to get into here shortly.